As the classic Qigong saying goes, 炼精化气, 炼气化神, 炼神还虚. Refine essence into Qi, refine Qi into spirit, and refine spirit back to voidness. At the heart of Huo Lu Gong, or five-quadrant practice, lies the profound transformation of energy. This advanced Daoist practice focuses on refining Qi into Shen, the spirit, guiding us beyond physical health into a realm of deep spiritual awakening. Central to this practice is the Wuji Point, the gateway to the infinite stillness within. Wuji represents the state of pure potential, where the mind dissolves into emptiness, and we reconnect with the Tao. When we activate the Wuji Point through Qigong, we quiet the mind, unify body and spirit, and cultivate inner peace that radiates outward. Using precise breathwork, Qi steaming, and meditative stillness, we gather, refine, and elevate energy, shifting from physical sensation to deep spiritual awareness. In a state of perfect balance, thoughts dissolve, emotions stabilize, and we experience the profound harmony of voidness and presence. Through Huo Lu Gong, we step beyond ordinary perception and into the realm of formless, where true peace, clarity, and connection to Tao are realized.